Once you open your file, grab the magnifying glass and zoom in so you can get close. Then go get the magnetic lasso tool. Click and start to drag around your object, and the magnetic lasso tool will automatically connect points that kind of stick to the side of your object like a magnet. Continue until you get all the way around your subject. You can move in your window by pressing the space bar to give you the hand, and move the screen around inside your window so that you can see better as you're using the magnetic lasso. So just hit space bar, it'll get the hand, and then it'll go right back to the magnetic lasso when you let go of the space bar. I'll come back in a minute when I finish going around the entire edge of my subject. Make sure you bring the lasso all the way back to the original starting point to finish your selection. Then you'll see the marching ants and you'll know that your selection has been made. If you need to clean up part of your selection, go get the regular lasso tool. Zoom in so you can get close and see what you're working on. If there's something that you want to remove, make sure you have the regular lasso tool selected and hold down the Option key. You'll see a little minus sign next to your lasso tool. Then draw around the area you want to remove and it'll remove it from your selection. If there is something you need to add to your selection, you need to hold down the Shift key. Then draw around the area you want to add and it'll add it to your selection. Keep removing and adding parts of your selection as needed until you have only your subject selected.
Next, go up to the top menu, choose Select, and then select Inverse. It's going to select the background of your image instead of your subject. Now you're going to desaturate or remove the color from your background. Click on the Adjustments icon, which is like a black and white cookie. And if you're in a newer version of Photoshop, you would select black and white. Otherwise, you might have to select Hue Saturation and desaturate your image. Once you finish, remember to save your file and label it accordingly. And then before you post it to the Wikispace, you're going to save a low-res version, making your resolution 72 pixels per inch, and then do File Save for Web and upload your JPEG to the Wikispace.